We also have breaking news coming in that the NIA has accessed CCTV footage from the five-star hotel where Wazir was staying from 16th of February to the 20th of February. Also, fake ID details that were submitted to the NIA are also submitted to the five-star hotel is also with the NIA right now. This is the information that Alicia is getting to us. We will try to get Alicia live as well. But Piyush is also reporting live from outside Varsha Bungalow, which is the CM's official residence in Mumbai. And Piyush, we know that there is a meeting ongoing between Sena leaders and Congress leaders since the afternoon. So if you could give our viewers a brief about the meeting that is taking place. But Piyush, before I come to you, I'll go across to Alicia because she has some breaking news with us. Alicia, if you could update our viewers on what on the recoveries that have been made by the NIA from the five-star hotel in Mumbai.
देखिए बिल्कुल एनआईए की टीम हमने देखा कि दोपहर को जहां एनआईए की टीम एक मुंबई साउथ बॉम्बे के 5-स्टार होटल पर जहां पर गई थी वहीं से अब सीसीटीवी फुटेजेस जो है वो रिकवर किए गए। यानी एनआईए के पास अब 16 फरवरी से 20 फरवरी जब सचिन वाजे उसी 5-स्टार होटल पर रह रहे थे और बताया जा रहा है कि वहां पर जो इंसिडेंट हुआ इसी के साथ उन्होंने जो प्लानिंग से कई ऐसी मीटिंग जो है वो सचिन वाजे के उसी होटल में हुए थे। अभी जहाँ पर एनआईए के ऑफिसर्स उस होटल में मौजूद थे उसी दौरान जो सीसीटीवी फुटेज है वो एनआईए की ओर से एक्सेस किए गए हैं। इतना ही नहीं लेकिन जो सीसीटीवी के साथ साथ जहां तक देखा जा रहा है कि जो फेक आईडी, क्योंकि सचिन वाजे फेक आईडी देकर उस होटल में रह रहे थे, वो फेक आईडी के डिटेल्स भी अब एनआईए के पास है। यानी सचिन वाजे जो कि उस होटल में रहकर प्लानिंग कर रहे थे 4 दिन तक और वहीं पर 16 फरवरी को उन्होंने इनोवा गाड़ी से गए थे और जब वो निकले थे उसी होटल से तब लैंड क्रूजर प्राडो ये 2 गाड़ियों का इस्तेमाल सचिन वाजे की ओर से किया गया था। लेकिन इतना ही नहीं, फेक आईडी देकर, फेक आइडेंटिफिकेशन आईडी देकर जो है वो उस होटल में रह रहे थे जिसके डिटेल्स अब एनआईए के पास है और इसी पूरी मामले की जांच जो है वो अब नेशनल इन्वेस्टिगेशन एजेंसी की ओर से की जाएगी।
And as Alicia keeps getting us these details of the NIA as well as the ATS investigation, Piyush, getting a quick update from you on the political developments that are taking place in the state of Maharashtra.
Well, absolutely, Sanika. As far as the political developments are concerned, we know that how the meeting took place at the residence of Sharad Pawar yesterday, late last night, and today the meeting is taking place here at Varsha Bungalow since 1:30 p.m. and it's been more than 5 hours. This meeting is taking place. It's important to mention as to how this meeting is taking place between the Congress leaders and Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray. And as of now, as we are speaking, this meeting continues to take place. It's been more than 5 hours. We know that how NCP and the Shiv Sena, they have given clean chit to Anil Deshmukh, but on the other side, the BJP is continuously asking for the resignation of Anil Deshmukh. Though you know both the parties, be it NCP or Shiv Sena, they have maintained that Anil Deshmukh will not resign. There is no point of Anil Deshmukh putting down his papers, but BJP continues to mount pressure. If we talk about the kind of investigation those are taking place, we know that how ATS and NIA both are investigating Mansukh Hiran death case and bomb scare case respectively. On these developments itself, we have seen as to how BJP is now mounting pressure, and looking at that, as we are speaking, the meeting is going on. I would ask my video journalist Vivek to once try to give you the visuals from right outside the residence of official residence of Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, where this meeting is underway. Remember that meeting is going on since 1:30, and as of now, as we are speaking, this meeting is still underway. We will try to get more and more details as and when this meeting comes to an end. But these leaders of Congress party, including Balasaab Throat, who is also cabinet minister, he is taking part in this meeting. The meeting, when the meeting comes to an end, Sanika will try to get in a word from these Congress leaders. But yes, big political developments are taking place in the state of Maharashtra after Delhi. Now the focus has shifted to Mumbai.
Yes.